Diane in Denmark here, and rah rah rah, it is Friday. I hope you can hear me. I've put my little headset on today, so hopefully you're picking up. Very breezy down here this morning. We've got the tail end of the storm that was in the UK coming to us in Denmark and the south of Sweden today. So there were lots of waves for my skinny dip this morning. I've just been down from a skinny dip in the sea behind me with my bestie Helena. And if you can see behind me, that's over to Sweden back there. Anyway, I just wanted to check in with you because it is Friday. Friday in Flylady land is, you know, the usual thing. Take your handbag, your sports bag, you know, I've got the swimming bag, the kids' backpacks, and just take a few minutes to go through those, you know, pick out any snotty hankies, receipts, half-eaten muesli bars and science projects and pieces of paper. Get those out so that you're kind of ready for the weekend. And talking about going into the weekend, oh sorry, I'll just finish off about Flylady Friday. Also date night, I've got the family's favourite snacks. And you know, fill up your car with petrol. I did mine yesterday because I was out running some errands, and I did mine then. And pump up your bike tyres if you're on a bike. Talking about the weekend, I just wanted to give you a couple of things about going into the weekend. We all want to, you know, go into the weekend and enjoy the weekend, get the most out of it. Just make sure that you keep going with your routines. I know I've said it before, the routines make less work for us. And, you know, my weekend routine varies slightly. I get up much later than I normally do, and I do things in a different order, but I get the same things done, because it just keeps things ticking along, and it means that I can enjoy, you know, the rest of my weekend guilt-free, you know, or my day guilt-free. If you are planning to do some projects at the weekend, set yourself up for success. Make sure, you know, that you set your alarm so you're actually getting out of bed and are able to get on with your project. Plan for some takeaway food or a takeout, or put something in the crock pot so you can get on with your project and not kind of collapsing at the end of the day and you don't have anything to eat. And, you know, so plan for success. Also, heading into the weekend, you may feel that kind of, oh, I've got so many things on my plate, things to do. Do you remember we had the Getting Things Done system? I told you about the system of, you know, doing a brain dump and putting things into different categories. Now, I won't show you my private list, but this is the one I've shown you before, where you take a piece of paper and you just put it into 4 different categories of things that you do inside the house, outside the house, that you need to discuss with somebody else before you can move forward on it, and things that you can do on the computer or a smartphone if you're sitting at the doctor's surgery, and you can take up a few of those things. I'll put a link to the video about that, but this is a great thing to do on a Friday afternoon, especially if you are somebody who is not working outside of the home, because you really, if you're not leaving the house to work, you've really got to take your weekends as if you know, were working outside of the home. So you get all these things down, do a brain dump, and that signals to your brain that it's okay, I've got a plan for things and I'll get to those Monday morning. Don't have these things you know, hanging about in your head. Get down a piece of paper just so you can relax and enjoy your weekend. Take time for you, maybe get out and have a wee walk. You never know, maybe try winter bathing. But anyway, it's time for me to get home because I need to get on my bike and get going before it really starts getting stormy here. So all I have left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish sugar be with you. I'll see you next week. I'll be on Instagram over the weekend. And I hope you have a fantastic Friday and a great weekend. Okay, bye for now.